In this video, I'll show you how to make a group chat on Discord mobile. So if you'd like to privately message more than one person on Discord, then this is how you do it. From the main home screen, you want to come to the bottom right and press on this message icon with the plus in the middle of it, located just here. That's going to open up the new message menu. Simply select the first option that says new group. That's going to bring up a list of all your friends. So you simply select the tick box on who you want to add into the group chat. And once you've got all the members, in the top right, press create. And you'll see that your Discord group chat has now been created. So if you press on the names at the top, you can add more members, or if you select the settings wheel in the top right, you can favorite the group chat, or you can customize the group and change the group name. So that's how to make a group chat on Discord mobile. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.